So let's just kind of go through why this is super important. We talk about it in the course. It's in the training. This is one of those things that really ties everything together because I just want to really remind you that this is a human-to-human business. The moment that you start removing humans from this business is the moment that your culture starts dying. It starts turning into a commodity. It starts turning into a numbers game. And that's not what we want. That's not what we want for you. And it's not the best way to actually make an impact in your community. So let's just be in that mindset that we are friends with parents. And if you can't be friends with your parents on social media, why? What are you hiding? What are you afraid of? When you have the social proof that, number one, you're real business, but number two, that you yourself are a real person and not just a number, people actually secretly do crave that human-to-human connection. So let's make sure that we are, Coach Ann says, don't make it weird. We're all friends. Yes, you don't need to make it weird. We are all friends. And you guys should all be friends with each other too. If you're not friends, like if you're in, platinum or gold, if you're just a part of the Success Team Coaching family and you're not friends with some of the members, send them a friend request. Like everybody that is a part of Success Team Coaching, this is going to be a blanketed statement. Everybody that is a part of this program has been vetted. There's not a single person that is a part of Success Team Coaching that someone from our team has not personally reached out to, talked to on the phone, talked to via Zoom, look through their social media, their personal social media to see what they're really all about, and then determine if they're actually going to be a good fit for Success Team Coaching. So when you become friends with other members that are in here, this is not just yes, it is a course. It is a complete and total system, but it's an amazing mastermind. Take advantage of that. That is a major perk of being a part of this program, is to be able to network with other business owners that get it. They get it when sometimes things suck, right? They get it. And they want to celebrate your wins with you because they are genuinely excited for you. We're not one of those groups that has like competition in the sense of like, oh, I'm better than that guy. We have healthy competition. We see that all the time. You're like, oh, I got, 200 weeks sold today. And the other person's like, I got 250 weeks sold today. And you're like, but the person that got 200 is still genuinely excited for the person that got 250 that day. We have that mindset. We lift as we climb. So be friends with each other. All right. So that was my little tangent. We're going to circle back around to what the actual topic is of this, though. And that is diving into your business's social media itself, making sure that not only obviously you have your profiles connected to your business profile is connected to your personal profile, but then also as a human, go on to that business profile, like and comment on your things. But here's where people are missing the mark. You are not posting enough of your real behind the scenes pictures and videos. You're just not. You have a ton of promotional material. So you either have nothing going on or you're just posting only promo stuff. There has to be a balance. We talk about this all the time, but I really want to drive this home. If you go, hey, I'm having a hard time connecting with parents. Well, if I go to your social media right now, am I going to see a bunch of kids that are happy, smiling in your campus and they're having a great time? Or am I going to see your flyer for your upcoming Parents' Night Out only? Am I going to see stock images of kids? Or am I going to see your kids? Am I going to see testimonial videos of kids? Am I going to see testimonial videos from parents? But Lauren, this is our first year of a summer camp. We don't have those things, right? But you have students. You have families that are already enrolled in your program. And again, this is all part of the system. There is no reason. The easiest people to get a testimonial video from are children. That is the easiest. Adults are like, oh, my hair. I'm underprepared. I don't know what to say. Kids are like, yeah, let's go. All right, what do you love about this program? Butterflies. Like it doesn't even have to make sense, right? But they're always ready to go. So it's very easy for you to get testimonial videos. Start with kids because they're the easiest ones. And realistically, you probably feel the most comfortable with them anyways. So there's no excuses. How many of you guys have at least 10 students in any one of your programs? Raise your hands. At least 10. Okay. How many have at least 20? Okay, fantastic. If you have at least 20, then that means that you can get 20 testimonials this week from children. But what if they've already given a testimonial video? Cool, get another one. Kids change, they grow, they evolve. How many of you really quickly have done a video from us at our live event, have done one at like E3 or advanced course or VIP day? How many of you guys have done a testimonial video for us? Just one. Okay. How many of you have done more than one testimonial video for us? Why? Because you grow, you evolve, you change. And honestly, we love that. We love it. It's kind of like the throwback Thursday. If I go back 5 years ago and I watch a testimonial video from, Claudia and Johnny Guerrero, I guarantee you, if I do one this coming year, it's going to look and sound a whole lot different. Not to mention they look totally different. Great job, you guys. Y'all look amazing. But the point is you don't have an excuse to not have the social proof. So when you're coming onto the group and you're going, hey, I'm having a hard time getting in touch with parents, there's enough social proof that's available that you can start tagging those people on Facebook where they will not have a problem actually jumping on a call with you. They'll be excited to jump on a call with you because you kind of turn into like a little bit of that celebrity status. The more active and more visible you are on social media. So right now, who thinks that they just have like the best, like they've got this together as far as their social media goes? Who's got all the stuff? All right, Shay and Dustin Taylor, you're not allowed to raise your hand because I already know. All right, Matt and Gwen Griffey. Okay, you said, I believe so. Okay, fantastic. All right, anybody else? Just either raise your hand, type yes, like I got it. Okay, Emmy Beth says yes. Yep. Kia, ours is awesome. Ours is awesome. So here is the thing. The fact that I only have 4 people basically saying yes out of everybody that's on this call right now is a key indicator that we probably could do a better job, that we could probably take a little bit more action, that we could empower and encourage our director to get those behind the scenes pictures, to post them as soon as you get those pictures. Be intentional about what they're posting, when they're posting, how often they're posting. Because when the social proof is there, the selling becomes obsolete. It doesn't even matter. Just answer your phone. Like, it's as simple as that. You've already sold the program before you even talk to them on the phone. So, is all of this making sense? Type yes if this is all making sense to you. Fantastic. All right, real talk. Who agrees that they could do a better job? Type me if you know that you could do a better job. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you for being authentic. And if you type to me, this is me going, okay, cool. So Amanda Best is going to start taking some screenshots of this, and then she's going to go back and audit you guys and make sure that you're actually doing it, because I take that me as an accountability of not only am I saying that I need to do a better job, but I'm also agreeing to do a better job.